Happy morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Yes, that's great. Have you all watched the last English class? And have you finished the worksheet? Very good. Do watch videos and finish your worksheet. Okay, children? Now let us get into our this week English class. Ready, children? Alright. Children, do you all love birds? Yes. What are all the birds you have seen in your day-to-day life? Example, parrot, sparrow, peacock, quail, etc. What you do when you see birds? If you go near birds, it will get afraid and fly away, isn't it? Have you ever tried to talk with birds? Yes or no? You may have tried. Generally, you can see the birds hopping and coming, isn't it? Can the bird walk? Bird நடக்குமா? இல்லை, அது தத்தி தத்து தான் வரும். No, they can only hop. So, hopping means jumping. Yes, so the birds used to jump and also they fly on air. Yes, birds are such a lovely creature. Birds are such a lovely creature which gives us peace of mind. Which gives us peace of mind when we see them. Isn't it? Birds பார்த்தாலே ரொம்ப க்யூட்டாக அழகாக இருக்கும்ல. You know why I am talking about bird? Yes, today you are going to learn a poem in English. The poem name is Once I Saw a Little Bird. What is the name of the poem? Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Take your English course book 1. Turn to page number 36. Poem name is Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Yes? In this poem, a boy who is as small as you tried to talk to a bird which came near his room window. And when the boy tried to talk to bird, it flew away. In this poem, a boy who is as small as you tried to talk to a bird. ஒரு குட்டி பையன் அவங்க ரூம் விண்டோ கிட்ட வர ஒரு பேர்ட் கிட்ட போய் பேசலான்னு நினச்சி போய் பேசுகிறாங்க. பேசணுன்னு பக்கத்தில் போகும்போது அந்த பேர்டு என்ன பண்ணிச்சான்? பயந்து போய் பறந்து போயிடுச்சான். Okay, children, now let's get into the poem. Okay, come on. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Yes, children, come on, sing along with me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Children, I hope you loved singing, isn't it? I too loved a lot to sing along with you. Okay, children, do you understand anything from this poem? Okay, let's get to know more about this poem. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird. What is the spelling for little? L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little means small. Little means small. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Hop, H-O-P, hop. Hop means jump. Can a bird go walk? No, a bird will hop. So, once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. What does it mean? It shows that a small bird is hopping and coming. Where does it come? It comes near the boy's window. ஒரு குட்டி பறவை அந்த பாயோட விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் தத்தி தத்தி வந்துதான். So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So I cried. What is the spelling for cried? C-R-I-E-D. Cried. இங்கே criedனா அழுகிறதா? இல்லை. He shout. என்னென்ன? Little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? What does the boy want to do? The boy want to stop the bird. So he cried, he shout, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Stop means S-T-O-P, stop. Wait. Isn't it? So என்ன பண்ணுறாரு? அந்த பேர்டை பார்த்ததும் அந்த பாய் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஹே லிட்டில் பேர்ட், நில்லு நில்லு அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And was going to the window. Spelling for window? W-I-N-D-O-W. Window means what? ஜன்னல்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? That is window. To say, how do you do? How do you do means whenever you meet new person, you will ask them formally, no? How are you? That is what. The boy is trying to talk to the bird and to ask, how are you bird? என்ன பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டாங்க? அந்த பேர்ட் கிட்ட போய் பேசணும்னு ஆசைப்பட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? அந்த பேர்ட் நின்றுட்டு இருந்த ஜன்னல் பக்கத்தில் போகிறாங்க. And was going to the window to say, how do you do? Okay. But he shook his little tail. But he shook. S-H-O-O-K. S-H-O-O-K. Shook. Past tense of shake. Shake na ஆட்டுறாங்க. His little tail. Tail na T-A-I-L. Tail na அந்த பறவை பின்னாடி இருக்கும் இல்லையா வால் மாதிரி அதுதான். But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Far, F-A-R, far. Away, A-W-A-Y, away. Far away he flew. F-L-E-W. Flew means past tense of fly. பறந்து போயிடுச்சு. என்னாச்சு? அந்த குட்டி பேர்டு வந்து அந்த டெய்ல வாலை ஆட்டிட்டு தூரமாக பறந்து போயிடுச்சான். What happened actually? Once the little boy saw the little bird which was coming by hop. Suddenly he shouted and called, "Oh little bird, will you stop?" And he was going near the window. Why he went near the window? He just want to talk to the bird. He was trying to talk to the bird. He want to ask the bird, "How are you?" So when he go near the window, immediately the bird got afraid, scared, and it flew away. Yes? In short, this is the poem. So என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஒரு குட்டி பையன் அவங்க விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் ஒரு சின்ன பேர்ட் வரதை பார்க்குறாங்க. பார்த்ததும் அந்த பேர்ட் கிட்ட போய் பேசணுன்னு ஆசைப்பட்டு அது பக்கத்தில் போய் எப்படி இருக்கேன்னு கேட்கலான்னு போகிறாங்க. அவர் பக்கத்தில் போனதுமே அந்த பேர்டு என்ன பண்ணுச்சா? பயந்து போய் உடனே பறந்து போயிடுச்சா. ஓகேயா? திஸ் இஸ் in short about the poem. What is the name of the poem? Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. Okay children, I hope you all understood this poem. Okay, now let's start writing our class work. Okay, now you all take your class work and take a fresh page. We are going to start writing the class work on this poem. This is poem 2. So take a fresh page and on the top write the poem. Poem, P, capital P, O, E, N. Poem 2. Okay.
Poem 2. Once I saw a little bird. Yes, write in next line. Put capital O, N, C, E. Once I saw, S, A, W. Saw a little, L, I, T, T, L-E, little. B-I-R-D, bird. Once I saw a little bird.
Now come to next line. We will start writing the patterns. First pattern. Put the pattern inside the margin. First pattern, vocabulary. Okay, capital V, V, O, C, A, B, U, L, A, R, Y. Vocabulary. Okay, V, O, C, A, B, U, L, A, R, Y. Vocabulary. First word, write in the next line. Put number 1 inside the margin. Then write the word bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Second word, window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. W-I-N. Win. D-O-W. Do. Window. Window na enna? Jannal. Okay. Third word, tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Okay? T-A-I-L. Tail. Fourth word, tailman. Wall. Okay? Fourth word, stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Fifth word, little. Fifth word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little na small. Chinnadu. Okay. What are all the 5 words? First pattern. First you will write poem 2. Once I saw a little bird. Next line you will write pattern 1. Vocabulary. What are all the vocabularies you have now? See. First one, bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Second one, window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Third one, tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Fourth one, stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Fifth word, little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Copy in your classwork. Now you finish your first pattern. Now we will start writing the second pattern. Okay. In next line you write second pattern inside the margin. Okay. Then it is rhyming words. Okay. R H Y M I N G. Rhyming words. W O R D S. Rhyming words. Second pattern, rhyming words. Okay. And the first one, write one inside the margin. First word is tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. What is the rhyming word for tail? What are the words you can say? You can tell many words. I am going to give you one example word. It is fail. F-A-I-L. Fail. Tail. Fail. Tail. Fail. Instead of T, you will write F there. Okay. Now, second one. Write number 2 inside the margin. And the second word is hop. H-O-P. Hop. Okay. H-O-P. Hop. What are all the rhyming words you can write? Many things you can write. I am giving you one example. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Hop. Stop. S-T-O-P. Hop. Stop. Hop. Stop. Now, third word. Okay. Write inside the margin. And the third word is flew. F-L-E-W. Flew. What is the rhyming word for flew? Can write anything. I am giving you one example. It's glue. G-L-E-W. Glue. Flew, glue. You are going to change only the first letter. F. Instead of F, you will put G. So, flew, glue. Okay? Now, fourth one. Write number 4 inside the margin. And the fourth word is cry. C-R-Y. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. What is the rhyming word for cry? Try. T-R-Y. Try. Cry. Try. Cry. Try. Then fifth one. Write 5 inside the margin. And the fifth word is come. C-O-M-E. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. What is the rhyming word? Some. S-O-M-E. Some. Come. Some. Come. Some. Second pattern, rhyming words. Rhyming words. First one, tail, fade. Tail, fade. Second one, hop, stop. Hop, stop. Third one, flew, glue. Flew, glue. Fourth one, cry, try. Cry, try. Fifth word, come, some. Come, some. Copy this pattern in your classwork. Now we are going to write third pattern. Okay? So write in the next line. Put number 3, Roman number 3 inside the margin. And the pattern is answer the following in one word. Okay, so capital A, N, S, W, E, R. Answer, space, T, H, E. The. Answer the following. F, O, L, L, O, W, I, N, G. Answer the following. I, N, in O, N, E. One word. W, O, R, D. Word. Answer the following in one word. Okay? This is your third pattern. And the first question in third pattern is write number 1 inside the margin. What did the poet see once? So, capital W, H, A, T. What did? D, I, D. Did. What did? T, H, E. The. What did the poet? P, O, E, T. Poet. C, S, E, E. See once. O, N, C, E. What did the poet see once? What did the poet see once? And what is the answer? What did the poet saw? A bird. Very good. So write A and S inside the margin to represent the answer. And write answer a bird. So capital A space B-I-R-D. A bird. Okay. What did the poet once. Answer is a bird. Now, second question. Read one line and write number 2 inside the margin. The question is, where was the poet going to say, how do you do? So, first W is in capital. W-H-E-R-E. Where was W-A-S was the T-H-E the poet P-O-E-T. Here the poet is the little boy. We discussed in poem, no? Poet is the little boy. So, where was the poet going? There was the poet going T-O-2 say S-A-Y say how do you do? So H in capital. How do you do? I repeat the question. Where was the poet going to say, how do you do? Where was the poet going? Very good. It is near the window. So answer is to the window. Write A-N-S inside the margin and start with the capital T. Okay. Starts with the capital T. T-O-2. T-H-E. The. To the window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. To the window. Finished second question. Now we'll write third question. Okay. Leave one line and write number 3 in the next line inside the margin. Number 3. What is the third question? Did the bird wait for the poet? So write inside the margin. Okay. And what is your third question? Did the bird wait for the poet? Starts from the capital D. D-I-D. Did T-H-E. The. Did the bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Wait. W-A-I-T. Wait for. F-O-R. For. T-H-E. The. Wait for the poet. P-O-E-T. Poet. Did the bird wait for the poet? What is the answer? Did the bird wait for the poet? Answer is write A-N-S inside the margin. What is the answer? Did the bird wait for the poet? The poet yaru? Small boy. Avangalukkaga the bird wait pannucha? No. So the answer is N-O. No. N-O. No. Okay children. So copy 3 patterns: vocabulary, rhyming words and question answers in your class work. By this your poem 2, Once I Saw the Little Bird, was over. Okay children, copy down.
Now I am going to conduct one small interesting activity. Okay, it is nothing but the
short recall of the poem. So, I am going to recall today's poem with an interesting activity. ஒரு சின்ன activity மூலமா இந்த poemக்கு ஒரு recall கொடுக்கிறேன். So, what is the name of the poem? Poem name is Once I Saw a Little Bird. Once I saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. என்னாச்சு? ஒரு குட்டி பறவை தத்தி தத்தி வந்தது. ஓகே, ஒரு குட்டி பறவை தத்தி தத்தி வந்தது. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? நான் அந்த பறவையை பார்த்து நில்லு நில்லுன்னு சத்தமாக சொன்னேன். And was going to the window to say, how do you do? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? நான் அந்த விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் போய் அந்த குட்டி பறவைக்கிட்ட எப்படி இருக்கேன்னு கேட்கலான்னு போனேன். Yes, I go near the window to ask the bird, how are you? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. ஆனால் நான் பக்கத்தில் போன உடனே அந்த குட்டி பறவை அதோட வாலை ஆட்டிகிட்டே ரொம்ப தூரம் பறந்து போயிடுச்சு. நான் அது பக்கத்தில் போய் how are you கேட்கலான்னு போகிறதுக்குள்ளே அந்த குட்டி பறவை அதோட வாலை ஆட்டிகிட்டே ரொம்ப தூரமாக பறந்து போயிடுச்சு. So, when I saw such a cute little bird which was hopping and coming next to my window, I cried and said, little bird, please stop. But when I was going to the window to ask the bird, hi bird, how are you? But the bird got scared and he shook his little tail and he flew away. I hope you understood this poem. Isn't it, children? ரொம்ப சிம்பிளான போம் தான். இந்த போயட்டோட இமேஜினேஷன் இல்லையா? அவர் சின்ன பையனாக இருக்கும்போது அவர் வீட்டுக்கு ஜன்னல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த ஜன்னலில் ஒரு சின்ன பறவை வந்து தத்தி தத்தி வந்ததா. அதை பார்த்தோன்னே இவர் சத்தம் போட்டு ஹே ஹே நில்லு நில்லுன்னு சொன்னாராம். அதை சொல்லிகிட்டே அந்த விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் போய் நீ எப்படி இருக்கன்னு கேட்கணுன்னு ஆசைப்பட்டாராம். அப்படி அந்த விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் போகும்போது அந்த குட்டி பறவை என்ன பண்ணுச்சான், அதோட வாலை ஆட்டிகிட்டே ரொம்ப தூரம் பறந்து போயிடுச்சான். இதுதான் அந்த போயட் சின்ன பையனாக இருக்கும்போது அவருக்கு நடந்த இன்சிடெண்ட்டை ஒரு போயமாக நமக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. What is the name of this poem? Once I saw a little bird. It's a very simple poem, isn't it? You can easily understand it. Yes? So kindly go through this poem once again and try to read it by yourself. Okay, children, read this poem by yourself. So children, don't forget about COVID-19, coronavirus. Yes, be aware of coronavirus always and keep protecting from coronavirus. Okay, I am going to give you the safety measures to protect you from coronavirus. You all know this already, but Still, it's my duty to recall it. Yes? So, first, wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Yes? Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Then, don't forget to wear mask whenever you go out. Don't forget to wear mask whenever you go out. Your mask protect us, our mask protect you. So don't forget to wear mask whenever you go out. Then avoid crowding and maintain social distance. Okay? Avoid crowding and maintain social distance. This helps you to protect from coronavirus. So, follow these steps and prevent COVID-19. Okay, children? Stay home, stay safe. Okay? Thank you, children. Be happy.